So our first prototype is as follows. In order to reduce the innovation and entrepreneurship ecospace in our college, we like to introduce an portal for students where they could invest their ideas, show them, and completion of the project. So here they can start a topic. So you can see this is a topic place where they can introduce some new concepts from their portal, and here are the topics that they are posted. These are visible to the students and faculty and the contributors where they can get the feedback and investors from. So this is an internal portal. Coming to the external, there is a forum for the students of this college where they can invest their ideas. So this is where they can post their ideas online. These are visible to the whole world. See, this is the first, second and third. See, a guy posted his idea here and he could get some replies over here. And they could get reply, and some investors can contact them directly via sending their contact details. So the student gets the idea. He posts it in the college forum. So the college forum where the discussion goes on, he could get some comments and some reviews for it, and he could get popularized with his idea over here. And once if his idea got selected, investors get to talk about his idea. So he could get some investment, and that investment he could build a prototype. With that prototype he could start and build a project, and hence he could achieve the project.
Yeah, this is the prototype we have chosen, implementing unified framework for innovation. Every student will solve the problems, and most of these solutions or ideas they get for the problem are in a traditional way. To improve this and make them to develop a new innovative solutions, we are thinking of implementing this unified framework for innovation, that is a design thinking, in our school. And for this we want to include this not as just a workshop conducted for 3 years and a year. We want to include it in our academics. So basically our academic structure will be of this type. Both for an academic year we'll have the semester 1 and semester 2, and for a semester we have at most of 5 months, and in which the last month will be busy with our semester examination. So we choose to induce this unified framework into the students and make it a culture and an environment in our school. As a task for each month, the tasks that are given for the first semester are the design challenges, and some of the design challenges are those and so on. And even we also have a drop box for it. Even the students can propose these design challenges if they want to implement as a task for each month. And coming to this, where do we implement these design challenges? We do it at our weekends in regular classworks. We provide for this classworks attendance and also credits for the task, and we are grouping the students as a team of 4, and to make sure that every student is involving. And by doing these design challenges, we try to induce the creative way of problem solving among all the students. This is the thing we do for first semester of the 4 months, to train the students to make it as a habit for them and not just think traditionally. Make them to create things or create ideas for the problems at hand more innovatively and creatively. And for the second semester, the same first 4 months we are choosing. And here, when they are completely induced with these unified framework within them, they will be exposed to the world problems, the world challenges, many world problems. As they are completely induced with those design framework, they will have a colossal amount of innovation and new solutions with them. So not just some traditional way of thinking. So we'll have a bunch of ideas even for a pretty small problem at hand. So this is about a prototype.
Here the students can maximize the use of resources that they are provided with at the school. And firstly, this is the circle of the development of the students. And coming to the first part of the circle, it's the notice board. So with the help of notice board, students can they can put their ideas, their creative ideas for the development way of academics and the lectures that they are provided with in the class. And coming to the needs, so whatever the needs that are required for the students, they can post it here in the notice board. And coming to the opinions, so opinions regarding the lectures and also the resources that they are provided with. So the opinions can be bravely, they can be put into the notice board so that the lecturers can go through it. And coming to the feedback, this feedback is not only regarding the lectures but also various resources that they want. So they can put their feedbacks and so they can aim for the development. And coming to the problems, so not only regarding academics problems that they are facing regarding lectures or something, so their problems can be mainly observed and they can be solved to a proper extent. And coming to the questions, so these questions will maybe every aspect. So whatever the questions that the students are required to post, they can post it here in the notice board, and because of all these factors, they can come forward and they can express themselves which styles for the. And the second part of the circle is the projected way of learning for the students. So mainly the main advantages of this learning is interaction. There will be interaction among the students, and whatever the queries that the students want to ask, they can ask them freely to their friend, and he will be in a position to explain the doubts. And the main advantage of this learning is the students can overcome the stage fear which stands for the development. And the communication skills also develop for the students, and the main advantage of this projector learning is the lecturers can give the topics to particular students, and the students can give the seminars on that particular topic, so that by looking through the topic they can grab the content to the maximum level which overall strives for their development. And this way through the projector learning the communication skills develop in the students, and that's it. And the third part is innovative decoration of the college through arts and crafts club. Here the requirement gathering among the students takes place with a proper teamwork, and the innovative decoration at the school will takes place. So with the help of it, the creative thinking develops among the students. We can also conduct the design thinking workshop. So because of this, there will be 5 phases in this for the development of the students. In the emphasize phase, there will be collection of the resources, and in the ideate phase, they will come up with better ideas for implementing, and in the design phase, with the help of these ideas, they can design a prototype, and there will be finally there will be testing for the quality of the prototype. And with the help of this circle of development, the students can maximize the use of resources that they are provided at the schools. Thank you.
Now I am discussing about library management in our institute. For that, I have designed an app to manage the library. This page shows the registration to this app, and next this will show the login page of this app, and this is the main page. Here the first option is school news. In this news there will be the day-to-day workshop details, and next in the third option it is a symbol of book. This option will take to you to the library management page, and these are the books at present in the library. If you want to select a book, the page will be shown like this. If you tap on the reserve, it will reserve to you. If you want to cancel the booking, just click on the cancel the booking, then the book will be cancelled, and next you can pick any other books with the help of this app.